Kari Bhoi College rengkat ke jingat Trelang bat ke NEHU Yuva Kendra Sagathan lembat ke NSS unit Bhoi College mentah ke sngi ke Pynlong ya ke Lumpung ya tai lani ke district level Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament hakba laban khia halor kapang One Nation One Election balawan ban shimpenta degi Samla Puli College prepare na Bhoi kumban penpau kani ke Lumpung Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament kade ke wei na ke Lumpung balawan ra hakeleng kari India hakabala ailat kerpang ya barok ki khun Samla pan shimbenta ban yo ya ke hok penyata ya thir halor ka riti sensyar pajba hakani ke jingya ai jingmut halor kata kapang ka wei kari ka wei ke election lawan ban shimbenta ru de kinong bishar bakentup ya ke Dr. Elizabeth Karkongor principal Bhoi College uba Matthew Kenneth Makdo uba di Rapsang District Youth Officer NYKS Bhoi ka kong E Karnayor kabade ke Head of Department Subject Philosophy bat usamla Victor Suleng ubade uwei na ki Samla Puli Law na USTM la sakhi hakni kasngi bagi Samla Puli kilapan pawe ke jingmut prepare bat kilapan shongshit panyakran halor ketika pang kawe gari kawe ke election lani One Nation One Election habakut kate ke Lumpung ya thir la samru eki khusnam badi ka kerdan balai lawan Samla Polus Pangcho kerdan baar lawan Samla Lapan Janai Sindram bat hak kerdan ke Baningkong lawan da ke Samla Babylon Lingdo bat kini kilangut ki Samla na Bhoi kila khur ya ka jingjob kinyo banya shimpan tapat ya kate ke ju ke Lumpung ke ban Shillong ha state level.
Government focus on the development and governance instead of constantly preparing for election. One Nation, One Election is a step toward achieving Viksit Bharat, a vision for a development and a self-reliant India. While challenges remain, but the 129 Constitution Amendment Bills mark a significant steps towards institutionalized One Nation and One Election. One Nation and One Election can define India's democratic process, paving the way for
reforming the structure of democracy and to transform India into a well-developed democracy as well. Since India is the largest democracy in the world, it needs to have strong pillars and to provide more skeletons to support and strengthen the largest democracy of the nation. The idea of One Nation, One Election gets into the mind of and thinking of young people and
foster a national vision of government of unity and tolerance. However, we must know to acknowledge the challenge that come with this system. India, a federal structure, a regional diversity present, and many of states have their own different issues. No matter how small or hard, it also requires a significant and
remote areas often have few schools, making it difficult for children to walk to far places. These students from remote regions have enormous potential and are willing to learn, but they lack the proper coaching and poverty. People in the rural areas prefer their kids to work hard and earn money and get married at a very young age. As a result, enrollment rates are low while dropout rates are greater. One Nation, One Election will drastically reduce the expenditure of the government spent on election.
I request